Hey YouTube, how you all doing? I was doing another project in the house and in need of this air compressor, and when I started using it, noticed that my pressure regulator has given up on me. Take a look at that. Got pressure there, but there's no pressure right there. I could press it, give it a little bit of pressure, but it's broken. So let's take a trip to Harbor Freight and see if I could fix it, find a replacement part or parts for it, and maybe perhaps improve on it. Hang tight, I'll show you how to fix this, show you what's wrong with it. It's a case of a loose thread right there. Before working on this, let's release the pressure. All is good. Picking up pressure regulator. Hang tight. Number 68222. And I know there is a direct replacement for this one, but it's a cheap one. I thought as I mentioned, I want to improve on it. But the plan of attack is remove this, remove this, remove the top, so I could just twist it that way. So again, the main cause of this one, look at that. It's just a loose thread, no longer holding at all. So let's loosen this up, take it off. 1/2 inch. Three-quarter. Take this off so you could actually twist it. All taken off. Let's go ahead and put in the new one. Teflon tape. Flow is going that way, so it needs to be installed this way. Five-eighths. I think that's a good angle, so I can do it like that. That's perfect. This is the existing, the one I took off, right? It's a male, and therefore it's not going to go onto this male right here. So that's the reason why I picked this up. It's kind of cool. I have all these accessories. This coupler right here, or the quick disconnect, it's $8 by its own, but you get the entire kit for $7 on sale right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Right there. Here's the new one. $11/16. Beautiful. Take a look at that. That's awesome looking. Let's test it. Let's turn it on. so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. I'll chat with you guys later. Another successful project. Beautiful. Peace.